Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. Thank you very much for watching us. Today, we are expecting our washing machines to land. The driver is nearby here, so we are waiting for him to reach here. Thank you for watching. Philip, say hi. Hi. Má lọ ṣubú níbẹ̀. We are waiting for them. Let's move forward. Come. I think the motor is here. So it's ẹ máa dé bí báyìí o. They are here now. They just reached here now. Ẹ má bínú, ibi báyìí. Ẹ má bínú sá. Ẹ má bínú, ẹ rọra. Díẹ̀díẹ̀. This is our washing machine we are waiting for. Ẹ má bínú, ẹ rọra díẹ̀díẹ̀ o. Báwo lẹ ṣe fẹ́ gbé báyìí? This is our washing machine, beautiful people.
Beautiful people.
It has landed.
This is a
Warning, do not land on it. Do not step on.
This is a washing machine. Okay. I want to.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbé o. Ṣé Philip ló fẹ́ sùn? Ló wá gbé máàlù síta báyìí. Ṣé ká ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbé? Philip come. Wá gbá. Ìwọ dà. Take.
Philip, just.
Oh man.
Philip.
Yeah, hold it.
So, beautiful people, this is our washing machine. We want to take it inside. How are we going to carry this?
Let's try.
Or should I come and carry it under there?
No, Moto. Yeah.
That's this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Inside, Manola. Continue the carry.
Yeah.
Carry like this. Just me man. Okay.
I'll do yeah.
No, má fi kíní yìí dọ̀tí ya. Kíní o. Ẹ ṣáà ra káwọn carton yẹn one place.
Yes.
Lórí àwọn chicken ò gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ.
Because of the chicken.
Don't do it like this. Philip, leave it. Don't scatter it because of chicken. They will think that is food.
We need to.
Ẹ máa yọ lọ́tí ìsàlẹ̀. Ẹ yá lọ́tọ̀ ìsàlẹ̀ bá.
Okay.
Unboxing our washing machine.
Yes.
This is how we unbox our washing machine. Oh, thank you, Jesus. See our washing machine. It has landed.
This is inverter washing machine.
Yes.
LG 19 kg. So leave there.
Just leave it. Only reason it not be protected by. Philip will leave them.
Let me put it. Philip, take that rope away. Don't let it swing from the. This one we need to connect it to the bathroom. Just leave it. I think
Kurombe.
Wow. It's big, oh.
Yeah, it's big. Me, I think it's small size and it's not big for the photo.
Those bed sheets, those thick one. This is where they will end up.
Don't press anything.
Manuela, stop. So we are going to plug this.
Ṣé receipt àwọn kìíní menu rẹ̀ wà ńbẹ̀? The menu. Check. So that we need to read the menu before we start using it.
So this is the manual. This is for the water.
Philip gbórí ẹ̀.
this one is for
here.
For
these two.
Yeah, but the plumber has not finished their work, so we are not going to
this one is for
for water.
Plumber.
So our water has not been. The plumber has to come and do some work, so we just go ahead and test it. So this one now we have to go into like
normal manual
where the water will escape.
Pass out, okay.
Where the water will escape. So I want to turn it on. So this one now is the outlet where the water will come out. So let's we'll just, the purpose of this, we just want to test it. So come here, come this side.
Okay.
We want to turn it on. Yeah, this is the power button for it. So according to what we have here, it has 6 mode. Let's use quick wash. Quick wash. Wash minutes, maybe 6 minutes. Rinse. Let's use 3 minutes. Spin. Rinse. 3 minutes. So let's play it. Ready? Manuela, please go and get the light. So he's loading. Bring it.
It's working now.
Yeah. So it's just to put it where it will be in the bathroom, and we load water on it. Philip, you want to see it very well? Okay. You see? So this is where those your school uniform, your socks, will be washing it, okay? So this is the time here. So quick wash. I think that's 42 minutes. So it's working. Oh. So this is once again, this is Philip, come down. This is solar washing machine.
Fighter.
One.
Emanuela, remove your hand. So let's wait. I think this will be like 41 minutes later. Okay. It will stop. So we'll put it in the bathroom. We'll connect it. So this is where the detergent will put.
Yes,
and
we'll put
the soap.
soap and
Yes.
water.
And big cloth.
Yes.
And place the
So thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.
Yes, so beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. This is our show Emanuela too. Hey, Philip, come. Okay, this is our washing machine. Thank you for unboxing with us.
Yes.
As you can see, it's still working. So tomorrow we'll put it in a proper place where
We'll be using it.
we'll be using it, okay, to wash. Thank you so much. Yes, it's still turning. Yeah, it's still turning, and it's not consuming light. Oh.
Hello, pa. Let's off it.
All right. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye bye.
See you in our next video. Philip, say bye bye. Bye bye. Show him, Manela. Bye bye. All right.
I like this machine.